Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to upgrade storage in OneDrive on computer. So how to upgrade storage in OneDrive on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the OneDrive application on your computer or laptop. And this is the OneDrive display. Just point the cursor to the right of the screen. Here there are several menu icons. Tap this setting menu. And a menu will appear below like this. Tap the option menu. Now here you will enter the setting menu. Here there are lots of choices. Tap the plans and formulas menu. And a menu will appear like this. Scroll down. Now here there are 3 purchase options. Remember, here we have to pay. Here there are 3 pates available in the OneDrive application. This feature allows users to increase storage capacity in OneDrive on their computers as needed. So that's it, tutorial how to upgrade storage in OneDrive on computer. Thanks you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.